First thing on the schedule for today is taking out the steering column. To be honest, it never really was on the schedule to begin with. I completely forgot I had all this footage. I thought I'd be making a video about taking off the front suspension right now, but, well, here we are. I think I've got either one more video of little things, or the next one might be front suspension. Either way, I'm struggling to figure out what to do with all this stuff, because I don't want to get rid of it, but, well, it was part of the journey. Anyway, that doesn't matter. Taking apart this steering column is a real pain. This entire dashboard area, or dashboard support area, whatever, I don't know. Let's just call it the shelf. It's under a lot of tension, and the rust certainly isn't making that any easier. You know what this stupid little thing does? Yeah, it's just for holding on the dimmer switch. That's it. What a nasty fuel system. Oh, these are 11mm. They're just so rusty, it doesn't matter. That's hilarious. Good to know. I really like the remote reservoirs on this car. They're just, like, not ugly, which is what they typically are. I should have included a picture of the actual reservoirs, but, you know, I don't care. I'm sure there's footage of them in one of the previous videos. Ah, another one? Okay, I'll find that later. You remember how I talked about getting that steering knuckle off? It's finally time. Maybe I didn't try hard enough. Maybe you're right. One small problem. I don't care. I was expecting it to pop, but I guess I got it loose. Sweet. Oh, that looks broken to me. Finally, Jesus Christ. Done. Both tires are free. Kinda knew that was gonna happen, but I did it anyway. You know why? Because it was fun. I can't tell if it's just that dirty or if this is the right one. Now let's go size up. And the other side's just turning. Don't they always do that? Why is that? wanted to do, but it happened. In case you didn't catch it, I just tore the dampener apart, or whatever that little bushing is. The rubber was just so disgusting that in an attempt to try and undo the bolts, I ended up just pulling them apart. So, yeah, I'll deal with that later. Now the question is, how do I get the rack out now that it's free? I think I need to turn it the other way. I don't like to put my vice grips on splines like that, but, you know, what am I supposed to do? Oh, this doing rack is out. And it is gross. That is awesome. Oh man, those splines are so rusty. No wonder it was so hard to get off. Oh, sweet. Look at all that space we have in there now. Space to get out the master cylinder, kind of. And the slave cylinder, kind of. But, while I'm here, why not? Alright, let's figure out what size that is. 13 millimeters, good guess. Well, I'm gonna come with a better guess. Here's a 14 millimeter wrench. Nope, it is definitely 13. God damn it, you moron. No, those are way too messed up to come out. That's a shame. Remember, this is a project diary, so I'm free to include footage of me yanking on a hose for, I don't know, a minute. Yeah, this one's been all over the place. We'll get back to the brakes eventually. Even though that's not what I set out to do originally, but making sense of this several months after I filmed it is like a whole field of archaeology, the insanity I would get up to. That could be a little easier, don't you think, Saab? What the hell? This sucks. On the bright side, this car has very short clutch lines. Go ahead, drip brake fluid. There's nothing in there anyway. I don't care. Oh, shit. Ah, it's so tight. Oh, shit. Well, I guess I'm taking a break.